Alright, Dean from Dean Trips here in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam at the flower market. Got a little nice boat tour coming up today for you. And we're just going to walk our way to the place where we're meeting to start the boat tour, special boat tour today. I'm with my good friend John, his wife Sophie, my son Taylor, and Dana, his girlfriend. And yeah, it's a flower market, lots of people. Saturday, beautiful day here in Amsterdam. April. Thanks to the Anne Frank Museum.
I'm gonna do an hour tour. I'm gonna be your skipper, your host, your bar in Amsterdam. Yeah, like I said, it was herring or haring. You guys tried that yet? Yeah. Okay. This is the printer cup. The outer layer of our canal belts. And you guys have any idea why the outer layer? So guys, we're about to go onto the Amstel River, the only natural body of water running through Amsterdam. Dutchies don't like to overcomplicate things. So a dam on the Amstel, Amsterdam. We 4 couples got married. Love is big. The kids will love it. Other people think red, the color of sex. And don't ask me how I know. But if we shine red, we also have the offices here. There's 7 bridges. It's one of the only straight canals we have here in Amsterdam, where you can see 7 bridges aligning perfectly in a row. Drunk people, drunk. And when you're drunken, it becomes a really fun game because it's so advice now. Thinking bike, you buy it from a homeless guy.
It's on the corner of the house there.
It is a really interesting house.
That man.
Yeah. Something's made of food. This is the only building, 3 X's stand for, you know, those two. So it's named after New Zealand. The Dutch is New Zealand. Australia was called New Holland. And if you need any recommendations, by the way, you can ask me about everything. Wait, you got some free extra.